So the cool thing is the company and you've worked together to identify some different keywords: birthday party ideas, bowling party, and then Olivet Lanes, Olivet, Missouri. So celebrate any occasion with a bowling party in St. Louis. Okay, so the keyword that we're using on this page, I'm guessing, is bowling party.
Correct. Yes.
Cool. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So we see it just for folks watching at home too. We've got bowling party right here in the H1, which is the main header. We've got up here, as you can see, bowling party is the second keyword that's being used. And then as I go through, so here's something you want to do. If we're going to be using keywords, you've already got it right. So we've got the idea of the title, the page title. We've got the headline, the H1. You can also use the keyword in what we call H2s or H3s, subheadings. So you could have bowling party. So adult bowling party, or adult birthday bowling party. So just putting the word bowling party in again in an H2, what you're doing is you're verifying again for Google that this page is dedicated to bowling parties. So right here, we might want to put in bowling party. And then when I do a quick search, I'm only seeing bowling party up here. So we want to take that same keyword, since we're following the theme, pop it into your copy as well. And I would have it show up, a couple times, maybe one time per couple paragraphs or something. Does that make sense?
It does, yeah.
Yep. So just pop that in all of these too. So adult birthday bowling party, kids birthday bowling party. This is where you're writing for the search engine. Most consumers won't notice that. It seems awkward and a little foreign that you have to add a bowling party for each one, but you're just playing to the computer. So you're playing to the Google bot to make sure that it's picking it up. And even, let's see, so click here to view our bowling packages. So if I click on that, now it brings me to kids bowling. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So on your links, you might either you do bowling packages or bowling party packages, right?
Okay.
So then the reason why I would do that is, again, you're playing to that keyword bowling party. You have it mentioned in the links as well. Now, if I click on this, so even if I'm an adult, let's click on it. Okay, so it brings me to the adult birthday parties and bowling celebrations in St. Louis. So now if I look at your page title, adult party packages, company party packages. So I'm guessing when the company that you worked with, they went and did the keyword research, right? And they came back to you and said, here are the different keywords we suggest. Here's the volume that people are searching those keywords. So we think we can get some of that search volume. Is that how they did it? Or was it just more of like, let's kind of brainstorm some different ideas and throw them in?
Yeah, I'm not sure on that. I'm not sure the history on that.
So ask them, right? I'm guessing you still work with them pretty closely?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay, great. So my thing here is adult party packages. What does that mean? And how many people are searching for it? And I'll show you right here. So here's a cool tool for everybody. This is actually, I'll show you the Google tool. So let's go to google.com/ads. If you're logged into your Google account and you go to Google Ads, you do not have to start building an ad in order to use this. I'm just going to sign in. I don't even know which one I have. Let's do this one. Once you're signed into Google Ads, Don, there's a tool here. So under the toolbar, it's called Keyword Planner. So what this tool does effectively is it allows us to search for different keywords, and Google is reporting to us the average monthly volume. So how many people on average are searching for that keyword in a given month. So for instance, we did bowling parties. And then let's do adult party packages. Let's do adult birthday parties, kids' birthday parties. team building events, corporate events, work parties. Let's just look at those. So now Google's running through and it's going to tell us which ones have. So as we see right here, notice these are the keywords that we typed in. There's the average monthly searches, right?
Okay.
Are you seeing that?
Yeah,
So, okay. So bowling parties, 1,600 monthly average views. Not bad. Competition is low. So the competition shows how competitive your ad placement would be. This is more so when you're doing actual ads, but it also shows you a lot of people are not competing for bowling parties. So that is potentially what we would want to be using, which we were using on the last one, right? The bowling parties. Now, adult party packages, conversely, only has 20 views. And the reason being, one thing that I was talking about yesterday in one of my events was this idea that whatever someone types in the search bar on Google, that's called a search query. So we can't dictate what they type in, we can only anticipate it. So, you know, for us, we might call them adult party packages in the office, but that doesn't mean they're searching for it. So we have to anticipate. So that's where adult birthday parties, you got 1,300, quite a difference. So that's where I would revisit, look at, if we go back to that adult page, I would probably take out adult party packages. The other reason why I say that is because I think when I hear adult party, I think of, you know, maybe some things that aren't so appropriate, right?
True.
Like, yeah. So we want to so adult birthday parties, you've got it right there. That's, as we saw, is getting 1,300 monthly average searches. So I would change it to adult birthday parties right there. And then the same thing, company. So with company party packages, I'm assuming it's going to be the same thing, low volume. So those are keywords, you know, you can have, you really want one focal keyword per page, because you're really trying to tell Google, this is what we're talking about. This is what this page is dedicated to. You can have secondary keywords like they're doing here, but I even think company party packages may not be the best one. So you can use Keyword Planner to find some others to supplant it.